In today's video, I'm starting to teach you integrate Stripe with Whop. We'll be setting this up through Zapier, which lets you connect apps and automate what happens between them. In this case, the goal is to create a workflow where a paid invoice event from Whop triggers an action in Stripe. If you already have accounts for these platforms, this process should be pretty quick and straightforward. Start by going to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, look for the Create button and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Zaps. This opens the Zap editor, which is where you build the automation from start to finish. Inside the editor, begin with the trigger section. The trigger is the event that starts the workflow, so this is where we'll connect Whop first. Click on Trigger, then type Whop into the search bar. When Whop appears in the list, select it. Next, click on the field labeled Choose an Event. From the available options, select Invoice Paid. This means your Zap will start whenever an invoice is marked as paid inside Whop. After choosing that event, click Sign In so you can connect your Whop account to Zapier. Make sure you complete the authorization carefully so Zapier has permission to detect that event properly. Once the trigger is configured, move on to the Action section. The action is what Zapier will do after the Whop event occurs. Click on Action, then type Stripe into the search field. Select Stripe from the results. Now click. Choose an event for Stripe. From the event list, select Confirm Payment. This tells Zapier what action it should perform in Stripe after the Whop invoice has been paid. After that, click Sign In to connect your Stripe account. As always, double check that you're signing to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or business profile. With both apps connected and the trigger and action selected, review the setup to make sure everything matches what you want. Whop as the trigger app, Invoice Paid as the trigger event, Stripe as the action app, and Confirm Payment as the action event. When everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing turns the Zap on so it can start running automatically. From that point on, Zapier will listen for paid invoice events in Whop and send them through to Stripe based on the configuration you just created. That's it. Your Stripe and Whop integration is now set up through Zapier.